Hey there, fellow finance enthusiasts. If you're a Capitec Bank customer, you're probably always on the go, managing your money with their awesome app. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to view your bank statements on the Capitec app in 2025. This feature has gotten even smarter with new updates, making it quicker and more intuitive than ever. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Capitec app installed on your smartphone. Head to your App Store, search for Capitec, and update if needed. It's free and ensures you get all the 2025 enhancements, like enhanced security and personalized insights. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your username and password. For extra security, you might see a quick biometric check, like fingerprint or Face ID. It's all about keeping your info safe. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Look for the menu icon, usually in the top corner. It might be 3 lines or a hamburger icon. Tap on that, and scroll down to the Accounts, or Statements section. Select the account you want to view statements for, whether it's your checking, savings, or credit account. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Choose the date range for your statement. The app lets you pick custom periods, like the last month or a full year, and even includes suggested filters based on your spending patterns in 2025. Hit View Statement, and voila! Your statement will pop up on screen, showing all your transactions in a clean, easy-to-read format. You can zoom in, search for specific entries, or even export it as a PDF with just a tap. If you need to share it, the app has secure sharing options built in. And that's it. Viewing your statements on the Capitec app is straightforward and empowers you to stay on top of your finances. If you run into any issues, check the app's help section or contact Capitec support. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.